A lot of shop owners know they should post on social media, but they do not have the time or ideas to do it consistently. AI makes content creation faster, easier, and more strategic. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can use AI to generate post ideas, write captions, create short video outlines, and even repurpose customer stories into engaging local content. This helps your shop stay visible and relevant in your community. The best part is that your content does not need to be overly polished. It just needs to be helpful and consistent. AI can help you create simple posts about seasonal maintenance, warning signs drivers should not ignore, the before and after repairs, and staff spotlights. That builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. When local drivers finally need repairs, they are more likely to think of your shop first. America's Best Shops knows that consistent marketing builds authority, and AI gives local business owners a simple way to show up regularly without spending hours every week creating content.